Okay, control boots up into the splash screen. Touching the splash screen brings you into the login screen. Login name is Rosina. And I'm terrible at this. And the password is 27455. Done takes you back. If you want to go to adjustments, you hit the adjustments button. The capper is the immediate next screen. Capper height and adjustment is the following screen. The induction seal and the cap inspection are also on here. If you go next, you're going to go to the plug inserter. The plug inserter has the spacing wheel, conveyor, and feed table on it. Also, the height adjustment and the dropper inspection is located on that screen. From the home screen, you can go to the recipe screen after you're logged in. The recipe will require a code to get in. Currently, the code is set for 65201. The recipe screen has the preloaded names for your bottles. This lower right hand button is your edit button. You can see it a little better if you reduce the size. If you hit edit, we preloaded a test in and then load the test. You can say load. It'll ask if you want to write the data. Say yes. It'll write the data into the PLC. If we exit here, we can see on the adjustment screen that we have the data. If we go back and go to the recipe screen, you have to hit the right sequence of buttons. Here we have your 2-ounce bottle. It has nothing in it. They're all zeros. So we're going to load that. And then if we close here and go back to adjustments, we'll see that we're all zeros. Go back to the recipe screen. Go back to our test, which we have loaded here. Load again. Adjustments, we can see that we have data. If you have a new recipe that you want to enter, you can, with the edit in the on position, locate your new cell that you want to, your new recipe you want to populate, and give it any name. Here we can write test 4 space 67. Doesn't really matter. Enter. You can see that you have, well, not Tessie 467. You now have a new line. You can scroll around to make things a little more visible here. And you can enter in this line. We can read from the PLC and take all our current values and load them in. That's probably the easiest way. When you go to close, it's going to ask if you want to save. You're going to want to say yes. Those recipes are now saved. If we go back, we'll see that. The only thing I could not give you that you had asked for, I can't give you the ability with this PLC to have the operators be able to load a program but not edit it. Load and edit are in the same area. There's no way for me to separate those two with this PLC, with this operator interface. Outside of that, I think everything you asked for was done. If we hit E-stops right here, these are the mobile E-stops, you'll see that it tells you which E-stop is engaged. If we hit multiple E-stops, it'll tell you the multiple E-stops are engaged. So if we reset these, they'll come back. We're on our adjustment screen and we open a door. It'll tell you which door is open or which combination of doors are open. And on the next video, we'll show you the operation of the door stopping the machine without taking the line out.